SAT test dates and how to register. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into the world of SAT exams. We're going to cover when the tests take place and how you can register for them. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the SAT test dates and the registration process. So, let's get started. The SAT exam doesn't just take place any day of the year. Instead, there are specific dates set aside by the College Board, the organization responsible for the SAT. Typically, the SAT is administered several times a year, mainly on Saturdays. Common months for the SAT are August, October, November, December, March, May, and June. However, always check the official College Board website or consult your school counselor for the exact dates for the year you're planning to take the exam. It might seem obvious, but knowing your test dates is a fundamental step in your SAT preparation. Here's why: planning and scheduling. It helps you set a study schedule leading up to the test. Avoiding conflicts. Ensure that your SAT date doesn't clash with other important events. Mental preparedness. Knowing the date can help you mentally prepare and decrease anxiety. Alright, now that you've got a handle on when the test takes place, let's understand how to register. 1. Create an account. Before you can register, you'll need to create an account on the College Board website. 2. Choose a date and location. Once logged in, select the date you wish to take the test. Also, you'll need to pick a testing location, typically a local high school or college. 3. Pay the fee. The SAT isn't free. Once you've selected your test date and location, you'll be prompted to pay the exam fee. Prices can vary, especially if you're adding the optional essay. 4. Confirmation. After successful payment, you'll receive a confirmation email with your test center and the necessary details. Remember, registering early is key. Test centers can fill up, and late registration typically comes with an added fee. Document preparation. Have a clear photo of yourself and your credit card ready. You'll need the photo for the admission ticket and the card for payment. Special accommodations. If you need special accommodations due to disabilities, start the process early. It can take several weeks for the College Board to review and approve requests. International students. If you're taking the SAT outside the US, make sure to check for any country-specific registration guidelines. And there we have it. You're now well-versed in the SAT test dates and how to register. Remember to plan ahead, prepare early, and stay calm. We hope this video has been helpful and wish you the best of luck with your SAT preparations.